Having a matte finished paint car, it's really something special. This paint needs special treatments, special care, special cleaning. You cannot polish that, but you can wax that. Why you need to wax the surface is not only for hydrophobic effect, but it's also that matte finished surfaces have a tendency of a milky, like dull look. We have here an example where you can see a waxed side with opaque series and an unwaxed side, and you can see the difference. The difference is that these shapes are much, much, much heavier, and there we have a flatter surface. With our opaque waxes, you get a much better saturation of the shapes, of the colors. So all these shapes, all these beautiful lines are just popping out of the car, so you get a much better three-dimensional effect. So that's the reason why we have developed the SWISSVAX Opaque series with carb off, pre-cleaner, quick finish, and of course our wax, so that you can detail your matte finished car perfectly.